And I'd like to give a very special welcome to everybody tuning in right now. This video is going to be a highlight of what goes on at the Orlando showroom. We get special visits from all types of BMWs. We have SUVs, we have coupes, we have M Series. You name it, they like to stop through and get their BMW perfected. And don't second guess our abilities to even help you perfect those brand new BMWs off the lot. In this install highlight, Russ, one of our longtime certified installers, is getting a cabriolet hooked up with one of our backup cameras. He'll be running the wire from the backup camera to the already installed MMI box that this customer already had purchased. And that's a wrap for that one. Shifting to the X6, this vehicle is getting equipped with an MMI Prime. In this section, Russ is getting ready to disconnect the fiber optic cable to reconnect it to a new harness. With the screen connected and the dashboard put back together, it's ready for testing. Working great. Another happy crew member on his way. Like I mentioned before, even something as nice as a brand new X7 has something that we were able to perfect. Don't hesitate to visit our website and reach out to us if you have a brand new vehicle, as we're always creating new ways to perfect your BMW. Here's some highlights of the vehicle's interior. And if anyone knows me well enough, you know I had to look under the hood of the car. With some coating done in this car, we sent it off for a test drive. Away goes another smiling face. So this vehicle right here had some tweaking that the customer wanted. It was quick and painless. And away it goes. And don't forget, here at the showroom we even have an F30 on site for you to see and test some of the features we offer. In this application, I was retrofitting the last of the speakers of the Alpha 1 package. And here's the bay view of our guest area. The bay area where we tune our vehicles. When you come into the plaza, just look for our sign. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.